Hello sir, now I'm going to show the C++ 9th program using the friend function in the C++ program. First I created a class of distance. In that I created a private function. Under that I created an int data type as feet and float data type as inches, and also I created a public function. Under that I created a distance of, and also a constructor as distance of int a and float b. Under that I created a function as set distance, and also I get the feet. For getting the feet and inches I created a two data type as int and float for that. And for the void distance sum, for the creating void distance sum function for the measuring the distance as a d. In the main function I called the created objects as distance d1 and d2. So d1 dot set distance, it will call the distance will be set, and also for d2 for the another distance, and also for summing of the two distance I call d1 dot distance the sum of d2. So the both will be sum of and will be written 0. So for calling that outside the function I created a same data name of the function and scope operator, and also the distance of c, the data type member function used up. So inside that inches is equal to feet is equal to 0, initializing the values, and again I'm calling the as the distance scope operator and a distance of constructor as int of a and float b. In that I created like feet is equal to a and inches is equal to b as passing the value into another variable. And also for creating setting the distance, created a void distance scope operator and set of distance in the member function. So I created a set of statement as cout enter the distance in feet. So it will read the input will be in the feet, and also enter the inches, so the input will be in inches. And for getting the distance I created an int data type for distance and scope operator of get feet, and returning as feet, and also float data type as distance scope operator get inches. For calling the function from the main class I create we are creating this statement, and also it will return the inches. And also for distance summing up the two distance I created a void distance scope set a scope operator of distance sum of distance d. And for that I created for displaying the feet and inches I created a cout as cout is equal cout of d dot feet is plus feet. It will shows the feet, it shows the data in the feet, and also it will show the data in the inches also. For that I created both these two. Now I'm going to run the program. Enter the distance 23, 16, 12, 6. It shows feet is equal to feet is equal to 35 and inches is equal to 12. Thank you, sir.